Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't move your applications over to your internal USB storage on your Amazon Firestick 4K Max. Now, this is actually really easy to do. So I have this little device right here, which is a micro USB to USB OTG adapter. And I bought this off of Amazon. And this allows me to plug in a USB device to my Firestick very easily. So let's go ahead and just plug in my USB device right here to this little device, this adapter, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to have to say this is questionable. I bought two of them and only one worked, so it's not very expensive. This only cost me about $7. Now let's plug this in. I'll show you how to do this. Now if the device doesn't show up, what you want to do is unplug your Amazon Firestick, and once it reboots, plug in the USB device. And it should show up on the screen now. And this is unable to read USB device. Let's go to external storage and then format it to my Amazon Firestick. Let's go to yes, and it's formatting the drive. Now what we want to do is go up to settings now and go to the right. And then go down to My Fire TV. Then go down to USB drive since we can see it now. Okay, so now you're going to be brought to this screen. And if it does say format to external storage, go ahead and format it to external storage first, and then you'll get this option that appears that says format to internal storage. If you do not format to internal storage, you won't be able to store your applications to your USB stick on your Amazon Firestick 4K Max. So make sure you do this, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so once formatting is done, let's go on over to applications and then select that. So here's applications right here. Let's select it. Then go to manage installed applications. And then go down. You can see the internal space and the external space right there on the right side of the screen. If you want to go ahead and just see how much storage space you have available. Now let's go on down to an application I know will move over. So this is the TDS application. I can move this to the USB storage right here on top. And not all applications will move over. Just some of them will. So if I go to this application, there is no option to move it over. So you kind of have to go through each application to see which one can move over or not. So a lot of the bloatware applications won't move over, but stuff you've downloaded later on will move over. So just look at the application, see which one you can actually move over or not. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.